I bought this little spindle sander a year ago and it really makes a lot of sanding tasks a lot easier. It has proven especially handy for getting rid of bandsaw marks on tight inside curves and for enlarging holes when I didn't have the right size Forstner bit or hole saw. Mine has the scheppach sticker on it, but if you just Google spindle sander, you'll find this very same machine with stickers of many other retailers on it. Just like with most of this cheap China stuff. However, it had yet to give me any problems or show any signs of wear, except for one little thing that was really easy to address. And that was that the inserts were not level with the tabletop. They were just 1 millimeter below. And that was really annoying, especially when sanding small workpieces, because it would always throw you off your 90 degrees. To make it level, I epoxied this ring out of 1 mm sheet metal that I had cut out with a jigsaw onto the flange. I cleaned all the surfaces with acetone and then put some epoxy onto the ring and put it in place. To apply a bit of pressure, I put in one of the inserts and the biggest sanding drum on top of it, and then some weight. I made this little adapter to connect the machine to the shop vac. It has holes in it for two reasons. The first is that without, your workpiece gets sucked onto the tabletop and you'd be barely able to move it. And the second is that I cannot allow the airstream to be reduced, because that would basically make my cyclone dust collector useless. And these holes just let in some extra air. Ever since I got this machine, I wanted to have a look how they managed to get this very even up and down motion. So let's have a look inside. Okay, a little brushed motor and the gearbox. There are two pulleys, and the whole thing is spring-loaded. The left one is slightly smaller, that means that it turns a hair faster. And these pulleys have these little hills on them, and if one turns a different speed than the other, they just push each other apart. Ain't that ingenious?